Hello students, today we will talk about the parts of the brain. The brain consists of several parts. Each will have its own functions. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is divided into two hemispheres, and it has four types of lobes: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe. Basically, the parietal lobe, located near the top and back of the brain, is crucial for sensory processing, spatial perception, body awareness, attention, and aspects of mathematical and language processing, contributing to our ability to interact effectively with the world around us. The second purple colored part is occipital lobe. Occipital lobe located at the back of the brain and is crucial for visual perception, processing, and memory, enabling us to make sense of the visual world and interact effectively with our surroundings. So the brown colored part is the cerebellum, located at the back of the brain. Cerebellum basically acts as a sophisticated movement control center that fine-tunes motor activity, ensures smooth coordination, and maintain balance and posture, ultimately facilitating skilled movement and physical stability. Brain stem, located at the base of the brain, and it is critical for regulating vital functions, transmitting sensory and motor signals, controlling sleep wake cycles, coordinating reflexes, and maintaining levels of arousal and consciousness. It serves as a vital bridge between the brain and the rest of the body, ensuring the proper functioning of essential physiological processes. Okay, now the green colored part is a temporal lobe, is located on the sides of the brain, which plays a crucial role in auditory processing, language comprehension, memory formation, visual processing, emotional regulation, and spatial navigation, contributing to various cognitive and perceptual functions. And the last yellow colored part is a frontal lobe, located at the front of the brain. It plays a central role in executive functioning, motor control, attentional control, emotional regulation, social behavior, and language production, contributing to our ability to navigate the complexities of daily life and interact effectively with the world around us.